Hey everyone, my name is Chris. Thanks for checking out the video with me today. This is more of a continuation of our other video where we talked about the automatic driving lights and all of that. We're going to continue on with the automatic high beams, which is a separate function from just our regular automatic driving lights. So what we do for that, and again, keep in mind, every car is a little bit different as to the location of this, where this could be, but a lot of our cars, it still exists in this location. So we're going to come around to this stock over here, and we are going to take a look at this bottom button right here. That is going to have the little light with the A. Touching that on is going to turn on the automatic high beam. So again, that is that second button right at the bottom, right down there, right there. That light with the A, that is what that function does. And what it does when you touch it is it's going to turn on the auto high beam function, where the brights are going to come on when you're by yourself on the road. There's no one else around you, no one in front of you, no one driving towards you. But when there is, it automatically shuts off. So if a car comes at you, shuts it right down. If you pull up behind a car, the vehicle is going to detect the tail lights in front of you, shuts it right off too. So that is a really cool feature, because you have the maximum basically light output while you're driving at night, which is a much safer situation for you. And it dials that down when you are around someone else as well, to keep them safe, which is ideal, honestly. So I would make sure that that is definitely on. I know a lot of people have personal preferences of whether or not they like that feature or not. That's where I would recommend, if that's not for you, at least just have your auto driving lights on, just so you have that going for you, because there's a lot of great automated features in these cars today. So again, my name is Chris. Hopefully that has been helpful. Check out the links below. Please make sure you subscribe so you can always stay up to date with the latest content. And as always, stay healthy and safe out there.
Thank you.